Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8 earthquakes. First of all, we will define earthquake. Tremors and vibration in the crust of the earth are called earthquakes. It means tremors or vibration which is generated from inside the earth. It is called as earthquake. Okay. Most of the earthquakes are a result of the action of internal of the earth and are generally occur due to the sudden movement of the earth crust. So there is a sudden movements which happens inside the earth surface, and as a result it's create tremor or vibration and which affect the earth surface in the form of earthquakes. Some minor earthquakes may however be caused by external causes such as landslides or bursting of dam. Students, we have seen that due to the internal cause most of the major earthquakes happens, but beside major earthquakes there are some minor earthquakes which are caused due to the landslides or bursting of dams, but these earthquakes are minors. It means that it affects a small area as compared to the large earthquakes. Now we'll see the concept focus. What is focus? The point in the interior of the earth from where the earthquake tremor originate is called the focus. It is a place from the earthquake tremor originate. So it is a origin point of tremors. Okay, or you can say that it is an origin point of vibration. Now epicenter. What is epicenter? Earthquakes tremors move from focus in all directions. The point on the earth's surface vertically above the focus is called the epicenter. It means that there is a point on our surface which is vertically situated above the focus is called as epicenter. Okay. Now we'll see we can try to understand focus and epicenter through this diagram. Student, you can see the earth crust. Okay, just below the earth crust you can see a point which is called as focus, where actually the earth which is the place from where actually the earthquake originated. In this place there is a collision of two plates, and as a result the tremor start, or you can say that shock waves start from here, and vertically above that point focus there is a place or area which is called as epicenter. So tremor start from focus and it's affect the epicenter, strike the epicenter, and from that epicenter the shock waves or tremor spread all over. Now we'll see what is seismograph. The science of study of earthquake. It is a science which study about the earthquake is called as seismograph. So seismograph is the science of study of earthquake. Now Richter scale. The intensity of tremor caused by an earthquake is measured on Richter scale. So when the earthquake happens, the intensity of the tremor, or you can say that vibration or shock wave, is measured through the Richter scale. Richter scale is a scale on which it measures, and it is designed by US seismologist. Seismologist is a science. Seismology is a science which study about the earthquakes, and seismologist is a person who study about the earthquake. So so US seismologist Charles R. Richter actually who invented Richter scale. Now earthquake measuring 7 or above is highly destructive. If the earthquake intensity is 7 on Richter scale, so it is called as very destructive for the life and property. Okay, so students, so up to here I have finished earthquake, okay, seismograph, Richter scale, focus and epicenter. In the next video lecture we are going to see the causes of earthquake. Then after that we will see the effect of earthquake and the distribution of earthquake. Till then, keep revising these points. Have a nice day.